Introducing the new CloudAlly Jobs Dashboard. Imagine that you just started restoring a terabyte of your company's data, and you'd like to know how it's progressing. The new Jobs Dashboard provides you with both high-level and drill-down views of your restore and export jobs over the last 7 days. You can always view the history of your past jobs in the System Activity option, but the Jobs Dashboard shows your recent restores and exports and allows you to monitor those that are still in progress. From the CloudAlly navigation pane, click Jobs, the new icon right underneath Home page. The top portion of the Jobs Dashboard summarizes how many of your jobs are in progress, how many have successfully completed, and how many have partially succeeded or failed over the past 7 days. To see a list of jobs that have any of these 3 statuses, click on the status, and your results will be filtered accordingly. The next section of the dashboard allows you to filter by various criteria. For example, who initiated the job? Which activity are you interested in seeing, restores or exports? Is there a particular service that you would like to see? You can also filter by status from here. And finally, if you choose a particular service, such as OneDrive or SharePoint, then you can focus on the specific item in the search bar. The rest of the screen provides a detailed description of each individual job that you ran. If you would like to stop a job that is in progress, click Cancel. If it is an export job, then Download Results will be available once the job has completed. View Log redirects you to the System Activity page, which displays a filtered view of the history of the job you selected. In summary, the new Jobs Dashboard provides you with many useful benefits. You can get a concise overview of the status of all of your recent restore and export jobs and monitor those that are in progress. You can search by task or item, or filter by initiator, activity, service, and status. And finally, you can drill down to view the log or to download results. Thanks for watching.